Good morning, guys. This is Naeem Azam, Chief Market Analyst at Think Markets. In our today's technical analysis video, we're going to look at Bitcoin and we're looking at cryptocurrency market, and then we're trying to see that which way the fundamentals and the technical analysis is moving. Speaking from a fundamental perspective, we have seen some major development. There's a protocol called VeChain. I just read it earlier, and what they have done is they have also signed up a second biggest, what you call accountancy firm. So they've signed up a deal with PwC, and they've also signed, they already had Deloitte with them. Now, out of four major accountancy firms, two firms are using blockchain technology. So that really puts things in perspective that how important that adoption element is. But of course, for me, the most important element for adoptions when it comes to Bitcoin is that when we will start to see international trade in Bitcoin as a currency. For instance, what do I mean by that? That if we can exchange, if we can start seeing the trade of oil or gold in cryptocurrency on an international level between different countries and stuff. For instance, if Iran wants to sell oil to its potential buyer, then the buyer, as long as the buyer accepts Bitcoin, oil is very much tradable in that. And I think that is the real use of Bitcoin. But in order for that to happen, the issue is that Bitcoin isn't accepted as a form of a currency, just like how a euro is or how a dollar is. Bitcoin is more classified as a commodity, and I think as long as that remains the case, you know, Bitcoin acting as a commodity is slightly different, but exchange for another commodity can ostensibly, that can easily happen. So that isn't that much of an issue. Okay, so having said all of this, let's do the first thing first, which is our disclaimer. So anything which I say in this video is nothing can be perceived as an advice. If you're seeking for an advice, please refer back to your financial advisor who would be more geared with your financial situation and be able to give you much better advice. Okay, now having said all of this, now let's look at Bitcoin price, and what we are going to do is, in order to do that, first of all, we're going to look at commitment of future and then see where the big orders are with relation to Bitcoin, right? Because that's what we want to see. Sorry, I'm gone a little bit bad over there. So now we need to pull Bitcoin. Here we go. So we look at CME and we wanted to see the data. Remember, the data is from the 19th of April. So which was, 19th of April. Obviously, as you know, it was Friday. So this data is from Friday. So what you can is net positions, non-commercials. We've seen more short positions coming in, and similarly commercial. On the commercial side, we've also seen more short positions are coming in. All right, and bullish, so that means that bullish sentiment decreased 19%, and in the commercial, and then overall, in the commercial side, we have also seen the bullish sentiment decreasing as well. Because in the commercial, in the commercial zone, there hasn't been anything at all. It's just about, okay, how many short positions are just coming in. So overall, we have 22% decrease in bullish percentage, and we have increase in short positions. So basically what we are seeing is in the market that investors are trying to increase their short positions as the price is taking a move higher. So we have more shorters coming into the market, believing that the price is going to move lower from here. Okay, well, that is their belief, but that's not necessarily our belief, because our belief is determined by this particular chart, which says that this was the ultimate low, which was 3,125, and then we had a lower low, which was in around the price of 3,352. Then we have another lower low, which was in the region of 3,640. Then we had another lower low, which was 3,859. Then we had a critical low point. This is what we discussed about, that the price really needed to stay above this, and at that time the price was trading in here, and then the price also traded in here after moving back up, and then we had this bullish candle. when price was trading here, I tweeted this particular chart and then I talked about that, okay, we really need to stay above this because it is a critical support, because if we drop this, then we are coming back to this area of support. And that is not really a good sign because we want the price to continue to move to the upside. Now we have gone deep into this area of resistance, right? This is really, really good. The price is gone in. If we break out of this resistance zone, then our next major resistance zone that we are looking at from a price perspective is right over here, which is between 6,300 to 6,500. So in between that, we have nothing. The price just literally traded through. So I think this is what we are really looking at for now, for the time being. So this area starts from 5,727 to 5,451. And then this area starts from 6,306 to 6,537. Okay, that's all. Happy trading. Stay safe.